Welcome back everyone. So I have a new leg workout for you today. This is for anyone who wants to build stronger legs from a standing position but using a chair for support. So maybe you have a lot of pain in your knees, or you find that squats and other exercises for the legs just are too uncomfortable. So we are going to do some of those exercises but in a modified version. So grab a chair and let's get started. So for our first exercise, we are going to do squats or sit to stands. So if you want to do the sit to stands, you're simply coming in front of the chair, you're sitting down and putting the weight into your heels the whole time as you stand up. If you want to make it a little bit easier, use your hands to help you get up until you're strong enough to do it with just your legs. The next one is standing. We're bringing the hips back as far as we can and coming back up. So try to remember to put the weight into your heels as well. Let's get started. And how far you go down is up to you. You can go down just a little bit and come back up. As you get stronger, you'll be able to come further down and then up again. And one more. Okay, resting for a little bit. The next one we're going to do, I'll explain it while you're resting, are the reverse lunges. So you can either have the chair like this, you're going to stand beside the chair, you're going to go back. If you can bring the knee down a little bit and use your hand to help you back up. Or you can hold the back of the chair. You can simply slide your foot back. It might be best to not have shoes on for this one if your shoes have a lot of tread. Okay, so bring the foot back. Come down as much as you can, slide that foot back again, and repeat. Ready? 3, 2, 1, and go. Other side. So going at whatever pace suits you. And one more on each side. And break. Okay, for the next one are our side lunges. So having your feet wide, again, putting your weight into your heels. So think of pressing into that heel that you're leaning into, coming up, and then going to the other side. Again, go down as far or as low or high as you can. It's really a personal choice and what feels comfortable for you. It should never cause pain. Or you can hold the chair this way. This way might be a little bit easier, so find what works for you. Ready? 3, 2, 1. So remember, weight into the heel. Going at your own pace. Last one. And done with that one. Okay, our next one is bringing the leg straight back, working on the glutes. So holding onto the back of the chair, you're just having the leg like this, and you're pressing that foot back. If you feel your glute right now, you'll feel that it is hard underneath there. Okay? Ready? So that's what you want to feel. You want to feel some tightness there as you're pressing back. And let's go. And then switch to the other side. And one more on each side. Good. Taking a nice deep breath in and breathing out. And our last one is a calf raise. So lifting the heels up as high as you can and coming back down. So keeping the legs fairly straight here. And one more. And that is it. So if you can, try and do this workout every second day to build stronger legs. You will find that you'll build more muscle here above the knees, which is gonna help support the knees as well. That is it. If you want to do a second set, you can just do the video again and you will continue to build stronger legs. Let me know how it goes as the weeks go on. If you're noticing a difference in knee pain, in muscle growth, I would love to hear from you. Take care, everyone. Have a great day.